we have to find value of Euler Phi function 720. To find this value, first write 720 as a product of primes power. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 square into 5 and apply phi function. After writing this, we have 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 square into 5 into 1 minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 3 and 1 minus 1 upon 5. You all know how to find value of Euler Phi function, and this value is equals to 144. Now, where do we use Euler Phi function? We use Euler Phi function to evaluate number of elements of order D in Dn and to find number of generator of a cyclic group, and in third case, whenever we are dealing number of subgroups of a specific order D, then we will use Euler Phi function to evaluate the value of something. So you can understand what is the importance of Euler Phi function in higher mathematics or number theory.